When people hear Arizona, they usually think of desert landscapes and cactus, and they're not wrong. However, northern Arizona actually has 4 seasons, and the region just saw its worst winter storm in almost a century. Record-breaking levels of snow blanketed most of northern Arizona on Thursday the 21st, with more heavy snow falling well into Friday afternoon. By 6 p.m. Friday, the National Weather Service reported that the Flagstaff Airport had recorded 40.3 inches of snow, smashing the daily record of 31 inches set in 1915. Despite the weather, locals appear to be in good spirits, even dubbing the event Snowmageddon or Snowpocalypse. Arizona Department of Transportation's Doug Nintzel tweeted advisories reminding drivers to avoid travel if possible during the storm.
The roads are very slippery. I had a chance to be out driving in a four-wheel drive vehicle, but it was still slick out there. So that's why we're recommending that drivers try to avoid travel while this storm is moving across the state.
The storm led to closures of schools, government offices, and businesses throughout northern Arizona, with many residents unable to leave their homes. As feared, many highways were closed due to traffic accidents and unsafe driving conditions. Colonel Frank Milstead, director of the Arizona Department of Public Safety and a veteran law enforcement officer, shared photos and videos of the effects of the snowstorm, including a polite warning for travelers to cancel trips to Flagstaff until the storm has passed. By Thursday noon, even before the worst of the storm had hit, the Department of Public Safety had responded to 152 calls of slide-offs and trapped vehicles, with another 28 calls for injury and non-injury crashes. The storm is projected to clear the area over the weekend, leaving behind a winter wonderland for everyone to enjoy. From snowy Flagstaff, Arizona, I am CY Maimban, and I am 1 with 25.